Hi, I'm Silodah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick tutorial for how I do my chevron bracelets such as this, and this is the one that I am going to be showing you how to make today. Let me focus it. And so just like that, and yeah, at the end you can take the two loops, you can tie it like so, and that will be your bracelet. Okay, so this might be a little hard to show on camera, but I think it will all work out. So as you can see in my pattern, I start from my darkest color and then I go down to my lightest color. So my darkest color is the dark orange, and then I go to the white. Now you can do your pattern however you want, but that's just irrelevant because as you can see here, I'm on my yellow and the next color should be white. So I take my white thread and you want to make a 4 shape. So the white goes over the orange, then it loops underneath and you pull it through. You want to repeat this step twice with every color you get. Pull it up, make sure it's tight. Then you move on to your next color. So after the dark orange, I have this lighter, more mustard yellow, and I do the same thing. I do a 4 and I tuck underneath. Now you just want to do that again. Remember to keep doing it twice. Now on the other side, this for me was a little bit more difficult than the first one. So you want to take your white string and you want to tuck it underneath. So you want to make it backwards 4. So instead it goes underneath the orange string. And you should see that the string is being pulled in the opposite direction. So again, you take it, you make a 4, and it goes underneath. Then you pull it back up. So again, you want to just continue on doing that pattern until you get to the middle. Oh, and as you see on this side, I stopped at my first yellow string. So you're doing it half and half. So don't go all the way to the other side. Now at the very end, you want to take your white string from the first side and the white string you're using now, and you pretty much want to do the same thing. So again, we're doing the backwards 4. Pull it up, and you want to do it one more time. And that is how you do your chevron bracelet. And so you want to continue doing that until the bracelet is fully done. And starting the bracelet is the same way as how you would do it in the middle, so that shouldn't be too complicated. You just have to remember to do 2 knots on each piece of string, and that is how you would get this. And if you want to know how I finish mine and get it to tie like this, because the way I have it here, it's adjustable, you just want to take your string, tie a knot right where you started, right where you finished, and then you want to leave a little bit of space on each end and tie a knot here and a knot here. Then you want to fold it over so that the knots meet like this. Take an extra piece of string and you want to continue doing that 4 pattern that I showed you maybe 4 or 5 times, and then it should be sturdy enough so that you can adjust it so you can take it off and tighten it when you put it back on. So that's it. Thank you for watching.